Question being asked on the show, Pretty Little Liars, this week, is what is Mona up to? First the clip, and then we'll get answers herself. And if you have no idea what we're talking about, stay tuned anyway. Janelle Parrish is with us. Here's a clip.
Hey, ladies. Losing sleep? Me too. What exactly are you talking about? Remember that creepy Harold guy from the Lost Woods Motel?
What about him?
He was at our school, stalking me. And after what happened at the 10K, I told my parents, and we went to the school administration.
You think that he rigged that explosion in the shed just to hurt you?
I guess the police are looking for him now, but Harold's gone completely off the grid. I really hope they find him soon.
You know, it's really funny.
You know?
It's very, very serious. But you were sitting here earlier making funny faces.
I was. I'm really cold. So
Yes, she was making funny faces.
I was like, I'm really
faces.
cold, and he wanted me to make a funny face. So
Well, you had made a funny face.
Are you able to watch yourself, or do you have a hard time?
I mean, I think it's the best way to learn is to watch yourself. I don't necessarily like it. I think
Especially-
people are
It's one of the hardest things.
critical of themselves.
I'm sorry, you can watch yourself like by yourself instead of on television with everybody else at this moment, right?
Right.
Yeah, I
And
love to watch
privacy.
the show with my folks, actually. They're really big fans of the show. So we have our Pretty Little Liars nights.
Now,
So Mona is back.
Yes.
She's up to her old tricks.
Where did Mona go?
Rosewood has been, Mona has been released from the Radley Sanitarium, where she was for the past 9 months, and now she's back at Rosewood High. And you know,
there she
look
is,
at
yeah.
there she is, being all crazy and stuff. And now she's back in school with this new persona. You know, she's saying that she's all better now. She's no longer
But
crazy.
we don't know that.
Well, that's the big question.
Have you gone off the
is
grid?
she or is, well, what do you think?
I don't. Listen, I want folks to understand here. There may be some people who don't know what we're talking about, okay?
Okay.
So this series is based on the girls who grew up and hung out together.
Yes, it's about 4 girls who were all best friends, and one of their best friends was murdered in this town called Rosewood. And everybody is a suspect, and there's this big villain character named A.
Named A.
Correct.
We don't know who it is.
First we think
right?
it's the girl who disappeared, but then we find
Right,
out
she
she's
goes
dead.
by A, and everyone
Yeah,
thinks that
yeah.
it might be Allison who was the character who was murdered, and it turns out that it was me, you know, torturing the girls. I know all of their secrets, and, you know, always setting them up for awful things.
You know what buttons to push. You know
Yeah,
what they're-
absolutely.
yeah.
Mona's a mastermind, but she's also crazy insane. So she gets sent away to this mental hospital, and now she's out, and she's saying she's all better now, and the girls have to deal with seeing her in school every day again.
I would think as an actress that would be so much fun to play someone that's a little crazy.
Oh, it's so much fun. I mean, it's playing dress up every day. I get to play a different character every like month or so because
the
she has so
wardrobe.
many different personalities. Yes, the wardrobe on
the
Pretty
show
Little Liars is
killer.
amazing. Absolutely.
Do you say it's amazing?
Amazing.
Amazing. Get it?
I know you were watching the Globes last night because I saw all of your tweets.
Yes.
You were like me, just like tweeting
I
away,
love
watching
the
the
Golden
style.
Globes, and I love watching what everyone's wearing.
Everything
But,
was amazing.
It was such a great show. And Tina Fey and
Amy
Poehler is so funny.
Now, do you see yourself hosting it one day, or?
I would love to. I would love to host.
If you
it.
need a
Or
sidekick.
be there.
Yeah.
You want to come with me?
Totally.
Okay.
What about the
I don't
two
think
of
I'm
you?
going to be calling,
when the
but-
two of them get too old to do it, because they'll do it again. I'm sure they did so well
I hope
last
they
night.
do it again.
They
Or like
should do
they
it
said
again.
about
What about
Ricky
the two of
Gervais,
you?
he offended everyone and got invited back twice. So they did so well, maybe they won't get invited back.
So as you play this takes up how much of your year?
Quite a bit. You know, we usually start pretty early on in the year. I think last year we went from February to November. This year we're starting in March.
So what do you
going
do?
till the end of the year.
You just hang around the house in your underwear the rest of the year, or what do you do?
You wish.
Actually, I've been lucky. I had a really great year in 2012. You know, aside from doing Pretty Little Liars, I shot an episode of Hawaii Five-0, which actually airs tonight.
Oh.
And that's your home. That's your
my
home turf.
hometown. I got to go back to Hawaii, and it was just amazing. Working on a film right now called The Concerto with Jackson Rathbone. And, you know, I love this project because I actually get to do music, which is my first love. So it was a great year, and I hope this year is just as good as the last one.
So you started out singing and doing like local talent competitions
Les
and
Mis.
things like
Yeah,
that.
yes, I started out in
Les
Les
Mis.
Miserables on Broadway, which
Les
is why I was
Miserables.
so happy for all the Les Mis wins last night. So happy. But musical theater is where my heart is, and it's where I started. So I would love to get back into that.
How about
eventually as
passion?
well.
You're on a roll.
Passion?
Passion.
Hold
Are
up.
you talking about my tattoo?
Yeah, I'm looking
You
at the
are.
tattoo.
I-
Yeah, it
which
says-
one?
That one.
The one that says passion.
Passion, yeah. The one with passion on it. Turn around. Turn your wrist around a little bit.
this
There you
way.
go. There you go.
No.
Take our word for it.
Everything's backwards.
There it is.
There it is. What's on
So
the
that's
other
just a
arm?
reminder.
Yes, it's a reminder. It's one of the biggest things in life that's important to me is having passion for
Well,
everything that you
you
do.
have it, obviously. Thank
I
you.
do,
Pretty Little Liars tomorrow night at 8 o'clock on ABC. Hawaii 5-0 tonight.
You're on a
Yes,
roll,
check it
baby.
out.
All right, coming up,
Good
you
for
know,
you.
when you reach decisions in life, oftentimes we tend to sabotage ourselves because we need emotions. We get emotions,
Oh, yeah.
and we make the decisions, the stupid decisions. We're going to clear all of it up for you coming up here in a moment, okay?
It's like me on the house.
You in the house very much.
I have to ask him about that.
And you also, you do it low key, so it's not clear.
Because I'm not overly.
Play the 5-0 music.
Come here, Passion. P-A-S-S-I-O-N, right there.
You're so cute.
You're
I
so
did a
cute.
set visit. Like, probably a year